Hello friends, when do you need to replace the cardan cross? A faulty crosspiece should be replaced. It's impossible to use it due to mechanical damage, excessive wear, and the development of the normative resource potential. The main reason of requires the installation of a new component area. Repair of propeller shaft crosses. Wear or defect in the sealing gland. The presence of backlash in splined joint. Deformation of the shaft itself, which leads to an imbalance. The service life is a cure condition and model of the vehicle. The specify of the ride and other neutral are taken into account. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.